girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be out. Gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Bring a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert, unobvious. We can play the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My vixen, my pen will be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Say baby, I demand you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, write this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, round, round. They noticed, shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, round, round. They noticed, so much shine. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good luck. Cause you the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind to the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, sit down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and you put you in the tons.
Change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my,
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for CheetahBeauty hair, and today I'm reviewing this really beautiful unit. This is a lace front unit. It actually has a ton of parting space on it, but in today's look I don't have like any parts whatsoever, and it's really just because like when I first initially seen it, I seen that it had like a little extra, like, I don't know, maybe like 3 inches or so of hair in the front. I'm pretty sure they pulled that part out to be like baby hair or something. But when I seen it, I was like, you know what? I think I want to turn it into some bangs. So I added a little bit of bang here or whatever. And I kind of was going for like that 19, I don't even know what era it is, like, but when the girls like wear like the really big like teased hair at the top, like that's what I'm trying to give. Like I feel like all I need is like a cute little headband or something to go with it. Okay, it's kind of giving like 1960s housewife type of vibes. Even like something like this, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys a picture, like even like something like this, like, you know, like that kind of era. I feel like this is another somewhat of a similar like type of vibe. But you see how like there's no part and it's just all bangs and then just like really big, like, you know, fluffy hair. Something like this would have been cute too. I probably should have did something like this. Like this is really cute too, you know. She has a part in the center and then the rest is just like really big. But the whole point is just to have like this back piece bigger and then the front piece like that. And then I kind of mixed it in with like a little JT bang moment. Kind of like that. You guys kind of get the point, but I think this came out so pretty. And I wanted to keep the body wave texture in the hair, so I went ahead and used this curling wand. I don't know anything about this curling wand. I don't know how thick this is or anything. It doesn't have a brand. I got this literally years ago. I might even have gotten it like from AliExpress or something, but it comes with like a bunch of interchangeable heads, so you can like pop this off, and then it has like a bunch of other ones that you can like put on here with different sizes. They have bigger ones, smaller ones with like little different shapes and stuff. But this is the vibe that it gave. A beautiful, nice wave to it. Absolutely love it. And that's just like a little trick. If you ever want to keep your body wave hair like in the same exact way, you know, you could just add wand curls. Don't try to curl it with this, but I did use this to do like my bangs or whatever, which I need to turn this off now. But I did use this to do my bangs. This is from my company, Taste Levels. This is a flat iron I was selling last year. I don't know, I should possibly like restock these. This goes up to 480 degrees, and this is a titanium plate flat iron, but it's perfect for like curling. But when you want to get these kind of curls, you want to make sure that you use a wand curler, and then when you want to do your bangs like this, you need to use something like this. Now, I didn't use any hairspray or anything like that. This is just the hair itself. I didn't even use a heat protectant spray, which I really should have used this while I was styling my hair. But this unit is styled literally right out of the package. And speaking of the package, it was very simple. It didn't come with like anything too crazy. It came with a stocking cap, it came with lashes, it came with a baby hair brush, a melting band, which I didn't even have to use. And mind you guys, this is a glueless unit. I didn't even use anything to adhere it. I literally cut the lace off of this unit using this razor, and then I just started curling it because it's so secure, you guys. I absolutely love the construction of this unit. So it has the adjustable straps in the back, it has the elastic band, it comes with 4 different combs, and it's just so snug. And it's very rare for me to be able to like wear a unit that is a 13x4 and have it be glueless, but this is literally a 13, I don't even know if it's a 13x4. I feel like this is like a 13x6. Like there is a lot of parting space in this unit. I do want to show you guys without like messing up my style, because the tracks start way back here, y'all. Can you see that? The track is like right there. Hopefully y'all can see, but yeah, and it's like a full lace front unit. It's not like one of those horseshoe ones. I hate the horseshoe lace front units where they give you like barely anything on the side. So I would say with this unit, you can definitely style it a lot of different ways. You can do a deep side part, you can do a middle part, you can do braids in the front, you can do half up, half downs. Get really creative with this unit. But I didn't want to like mess up the body wave in it too much, which is why I didn't want to do a bunch of different parts, and because I wanted to do like this really teased, like, you know, 1960s types of type of hair. Like, I really like this. This is definitely a vibe. Like, I would wear my hair like this if I was going out to brunch, like having tea or something with your friends. Like, you can get dressed up like really cute, like, and classy. Maybe have like one of those tweed like business skirt suits type of thing going on. Have like those little gloves, the little short ones that like stop here and they have like a little tool on it. Wear like pearls and stuff like that. Have like a cute little theme, like, you know, little like brunch or whatever, like with your friends. That would be like really cute. Having like themed brunches and dinners, I think that's just so cute. And it's just a different way to go out to eat than just be like, hey girl, you want to go out for a drink? Meet me at the bar. Like, you know what I'm saying? But having all your friends like dressed up in a certain kind of theme, I would do that with something like this. Like, go to the Beverly Hills Hotel and have brunch there at like the Polo Lounge or something and dress up really, really nice. You know what I mean? It's just giving very classy, grown and sexy kind of vibes. But yeah, I really do like it. And I like the color of this. This is like a jet black color. It's so, so nice instead of you like dyeing your hair jet black. Now, this unit, I will say, does not come with a pre-plucked hairline. So keep that in mind. If you want to have a more natural hairline, you are going to have to do the work yourself. This does not come pre-plucked at all. And the knots on this unit are really small. I didn't bleach the knots on this, but I would suggest bleaching the knots on here. But the knots are like super, super tiny. So I love that about it, because when you do bleach it and you do pluck it, it's going to be literally amazing. So love that about it. And obviously it was very quick and easy for me to style. It didn't take very long to do this. You don't have to be like a pro or anything. Even to just like do the bangs right here, like it's not even a lot of hair that I had to cut, like, you know. So I like that about it. It was very quick and easy to style this. It's so pretty and classy looking. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Here's like a little up close look at that. You can kind of see a little bit of a part here. But yeah, like, you see how the back is kind of like teased? It looks like it's teased, at least, even though I didn't tease it. Like, I love, love, love the way that that looks. Like, it just looks so cute to me. Like, I don't know, I just feel like a classy little Barbie or something. I almost forgot to mention, so this is a 24-inch, you guys, if you guys are wondering on the length for this one. This is a 24-inch unit. Obviously, I have it curled, so it doesn't look like as long as it actually is. But this is where it's hitting me in the front without like pulling it or anything. And then if I was to pull it, it does actually get pretty long. So this is where it stops here, and then this is how far down it stretches. I'm not sure on the density either, but because I curled it, it actually looks a lot like fuller than what it is. Because if you flat iron it, obviously it's gonna look a lot thinner. I would say this is possibly like 180% density. I don't think it's anything thinner than that. If it was, I would be very surprised, because it's actually pretty full, and I love that about it. It's not like that see-through type of vibe, you know what I mean? Very beautiful, and it's holding the curl very well for me to not have like put any product on it. So love that about it as well. Shout out to all of you guys for showing me so much love and support, you guys. I am on my 8th year on my channel. My channel is 8 years old officially, and it's really insane to even think that I've been doing this for 8 years now. It's like, it's crazy. So shout out to all of you guys for supporting me over the years. I hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, show your girls some love, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.